What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, here with another episode for you guys. We're going back to back with the dessert episodes. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite pies of all time. As you can probably tell, I bought an excessive amount of bananas recently. We're going to be homemaking everything in this whipped cream, the pie crust.
It's gonna be real hot right there.
Here's what you need to get started making that homemade banana cream pie. We're gonna make a pie crust out of these bad boys. I got a new rolling pin, dude. Pretty sick. We're gonna put 2.5 cups Nilla Wafers in a bag and crush them up. Put the crushed up wafers in a mixing bowl. And we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it up. Gonna line our pie sheet evenly as possible. We're gonna put this bad boy in the oven for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. For the substance of the banana cream pie, we're gonna be making kind of like a vanilla custard-y type of mixture. It's gonna take probably about 15 to 20 minutes to get it real thick.
Ah! That's a thick bar!
Crack 2 full eggs, save the yolk. Put 2 yolk onlys in the bowl, whisk them up, put this to the side. Add 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3 cups of milk. And stir it in. We're gonna put it on the stove at medium to high heat. Continue to stir. You do not want the milk to burn to the bottom. We're starting to get foamy. Here we go. Now that the mixture is thick enough, we're gonna decrease the heat to medium. So we're gonna temper the egg by putting about 1/4 of a cup of the mixture in the eggs. Slowly add the egg mixture. We're gonna leave this on the stove for about 2 more minutes, stirring. We're gonna transfer to a not hot dish. Add about 4 tablespoons of butter and about a tablespoon of vanilla. And we're gonna mix this in. Now we gotta cover this with some plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for it to cool for about an hour. We're gonna ditch this bottle and we're gonna make homemade whipped cream. We're gonna have to improvise here and make whipped cream like they did in the, I don't know, probably the 20s, dude. We're gonna put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream plus a little more, 1/4 of a cup sugar, splash of vanilla. Screw this lid on real tight and start shaking. All right, let's check. Not even close. Well, still not thick enough. We're gonna finish this off in a mixing bowl. So to layer this thing, we're gonna put a layer of the custard on the bottom. Then we're going to just cover this thing in bananas. Then we're gonna put the whipped cream on top, and we'll be ready tomorrow. Oh my Lanta. We let this thing set overnight. We're about to take the first bite. Holy crap. I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but this is probably the best banana cream pie I've ever consumed in my life. I have to hold on to the counter.
Okay, probably.
This pie is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. So stupid. If you like what you see, recipe is in the description. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.